Hi everybody, it's Amalia, and I'm here today with the Jewelry Making Fun Collab. Every month on the 18th at noon Eastern Time, we put out a video on some jewelry making projects. This collab is hosted by Dahlia Designs, Jewelry and More, aka Deb Hauk. Our theme for the month of March is pink or yellow, and I decided to go with pink. I also decided to dig into this kit that I bought a million years ago, literally, at Costco. And it has beads and findings and seed beads and all that stuff. And yeah, I never use it. I really should just empty it out or donate it, but I dug into it just to say I did. And I decided to make a stretch bracelet. It's a little too long though than the traditional stretch bracelet, but I used all seed beads in different colors of pink and then a little center bead, and that's it. So it's a simple stretch bracelet. I started making earrings, but I really didn't know what I was doing. This is stretch wire, which is easy enough to work with. And this is, what do they call this wire? Tiger tail, sometimes I think it's called. But it's jewelry wire, and I just threaded the beads through. And then I had an idea about putting a bead cap on the end, and that looked terrible. So I clipped it off, and I kind of gave up in the middle. So yeah, I don't know how to finish these earrings off to go with my little bracelet, but if you have any ideas, let me know. I was thinking about putting a split ring through these two wires here, and then attaching the shepherd's hook wire from there. That's probably what I'll end up doing, but I didn't finish it for tonight. And hopefully I will work on my projects much sooner so I can get something done, and maybe something a little less simple than a stretch bracelet. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll just keep making earrings. Who knows? But again, folks, this is a collab. You need to check out all the other folks in the collab by going in the doobly-doo below, in the description bar below, and checking out all the folks in the collab. Just click on their links and check out their videos. We have a great bunch of people in the collab, and you should really check out their beautiful jewelry making every month. Maybe I'll put this on my ankle. It's more of a stretch bracelet for the ankle because it's really big. Anyway, it turned out cute. I love the pink colors after all that. And I hope you like them too. If you do, please click thumbs up and leave a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. Bye.